Welcome to Blue Art. It is indeed the most prestigious designer house after the successful delivery of 119, 1104, the 17 and the other successful residential projects in Bahria town, Islamabad and Rawalpindi. And I will say the same thing, that when you come here, you see this magnificent rear elevation with eye-catching wooden doors, which says again that it is compact dream house. At 7.4 marlas with a covered area of 4,000 square feet and comprises of one master bedroom on the ground floor, two bedrooms on the first floor with attached bathrooms and a dressing room, two kitchens, two sitting areas with a loft, one dining area, a drawing room and a servant quarter room in the basement. So let me show you around. Come with me. This is Blue Art, and when I say the best, I mean the best. Of course, we have ashwood wooden staircase. Of course, we have explicit amazing connectivity between the loft, first floor and the ground floor. And of course, we have the best architects and the best interior. And then we get to what I call family sitting area. It's got huge sofas, it's got a massive TV and an amazing proportional dining area with a beautiful view outside. And what really needs to be highlighted is technically raising of the master bedroom at 4 feet high in order to give it a unique look and at the same time to accommodate the provision of the servant quarter room in the basement. And wow, this is the master bedroom. There's loads of lights and loads of space. And with the interior, which is modern and chic with a direct view of the waterfall outside. Imagine waking up in the morning and looking at this incredible view of the waterfall. And what dream house would be concrete without a well-maintained kitchen? And the best part about this is that it has enough storage cupboards with amazing services. Now let me give you a peek of the drawing room, which is at the main entrance with powder washroom at the front in order to maintain the privacy of the house. And to be really honest, I'm quite obsessed with this living area on the first floor. And what I think is really impressive is that how such 7.4 Marla designer house can have such a comfy family view. There are two enormous bedrooms on the first floor with sky lighting washrooms along with the stunning mountain view from the terrace. Isn't it splendid? And here is the place where you can come with your friends and family members in order to have evening coffee or morning breakfast in the open air. And this is another kitchen on the first floor. And what exactly I would like you guys to observe is how remarkably and admirably Blue Arc has established a contrast and pattern between the wooden flooring and the latest and contemporary interior design. And this is my most favorite part of this designer house, which is quite iconic, and one can have a layered coffee time and reading time while having a bird-eye view from the loft to the ground sitting area, which is again quite unique and rare. And they say location, 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 and this really is the location. With few minutes drive from main GT Road, with 2 minutes drive from main clock tower, DHA Business Bay, KFC, McDonald's, Green Valley, and along with the magnificent mosque at the front, you are literally encased with everything. With stunning mountains at the back, 24-hour security, and the most luxurious designer house you have ever seen. So until Blue Arc next video, bye-bye.